There was only one thing that I really liked about where we lived. Sitting in my ninth grade biology class with Mr. Lukas next to Nora George. Nora was like the snow still falling from the sky. Sometimes she glided gently into the room and settled in her chair with the grace of a Canadian lynx prowling for snowshoe hares. And sometimes she blew in fast and unpredictable, bumping into my desk or dropping her notebook. She had dark brown skin and long, shiny black hair that fell all the way to her waist. She might have seemed shy to others, but I had seen her at powwows with a tight red jingle dress and her eagle fan, beaming smiles as she bounced to the beat of the drum, raising her fan in her long, slender fingers for the honor beats. She could light up any room in a heartbeat. Where Wolves Don't Die by Anton Treuer.